This beingness is the key actually in the creation process. So doing and being, they must support each other. After you understand your beingness, from that beingness means your vast consciousness which is unlimited in you, vast energy that is existing in you, that only in the present moment when we are quiet and still, we realize it. Otherwise, we are in the very superficial outside levels, peripheral levels. That makes us only do things. So there's one principle that I learned from this book by Neil Donald Walsh, Conversations with God, is BDH principle versus HDB principle. I tell you what it is. Okay, HDB means generally that's what is our paradigm in all the organizations, companies, all the professionals. HDB, I need to have, then I do, and then I will be happy. So the entire corporate world or companies or everyone is looking for this being happy, being content, being prosperous, they want that's the outcome. Okay, everyone is expecting that. For that, they think that I need to have enough of resources. I need to have first everything. Like for example, enough human resources, even enough of money to start my project. Okay, and then I'm going to add something from that place. I'll be doing something, and then I will be having happiness, joy, peace, everything that we want to achieve. So this is generally our old paradigm, but this is the time COVID-19 is shaking up everyone to turn it around. Now be, do, and have, BDH. From the being state, the action must arise from inaction. Your movement must arise from stillness.